Okay, my peeps, let's make a quick Patriotic mini milkshake. So I got that cup from Dollar Tree, and I am using spackle, which I tinted red and white, and I also have some blue that's gonna be swirled on the top. So basically, you guys see me do this a couple times already. You're just gonna take your spackle and you're gonna press it against the glass. We're not gonna fill up the whole container with spackle because we don't want to waste our product. It's not necessary. So now I'm getting some white, and right on top of the red, I'm gonna just press the white. I'm not trying to smear it too much, but if it smears, it's okay. I mean, it's a milkshake, you know. And I told you guys I like making these kind of milkshakes because they're not perfect and everybody can make it, and they don't have to feel like, oh, I can't make that because I can't get the lines even or whatever. So I really like these kind of, and it looks like a milkshake. You know, when you get a milkshake, like if you get two flavors, they blend and they meld together. So that's fine. So now I'm going to go back with the red again because I'm kind of making like stripes, even though they're not straight lines or anything like that. But you know what I'm trying to do here. So now I'm putting another layer of red, and after this red, you could put another layer of white. I made another one where I was just thinking about, oh shoot, I should have put another layer of white, but I just went on ahead and did what I was doing because you know what? Crafting is supposed to be fun and not stressful, so I just kept it flowing. But you will see that I made the other one and it has 2 rows of white and 2 rows of red. But it is what it is, right? So I cut out a little circle and I just plopped it on the top. And the spackle is kind of holding it up, so I'm not going to worry too much about it because I'm not going to put too many things on top of it or any pressure to push it down. So it's going to be alright. So now I'm putting that blue swirl. I used a 1M Wilton tip for that. And now I'm getting a little piece of a straw and I'm just sticking it in there. And these are like holly berries, like the Christmas berries that come in a bunch. That's what that cherry is. It's not like a cherry. It's a berry from a Christmas time. But now I'm going to go around and just put some sprinkles here, there, and all over the top. You know, you put as many sprinkles as you want. And then I'm going to put some glitter on it. So this glitter is actually called Bling, and it's from Michael's Recollection Collection. And I really like that. It's really sparkly. So guys, this is spackle, the blue spackle that I swirled on the top. I put a little bit in a cup and I added some water to it so it could become drippy. And this is my drip, okay? I just put a couple of drips here and there, not in the whole container. Just some here and some there. I didn't feel like doing the whole rim. I just wanted to look like it been sitting out for a minute. You know how it be hot out there and your ice cream start melting? That's what I was thinking. But there you go. See, that other one has 2 rows of white and 2 rows of red. But you can do it however you want. But just make you some, okay? Look how cute that looks. I hope you make some and I hope you tag me in it. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.